how to change date and time on your Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your Android phone easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to your settings on your phone and then scroll down like this and you will find this system option. Click on it like this, and now all what you have to do is click on date and time like this, and now as you can see you can set time as you want from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.